right, guys, so welcome to Little Island. This is really cool. We are in Chelsea, right at 14th Street. My name is John. Thanks a lot for joining me on this walk. Please do me a favor, hit the subscribe button, also the notify button, but really important, leave me some comments. Let me know what you like, what you don't like, and if there's anything else you'd like to see. I'm here in New York City. I take road trips once in a while, but mainly in New York City. Just let me know. Thanks a lot for joining me. Have a good weekend.
You want the voices sit? Actually, sit. I can take a picture of that and send it to my friends. You're so right.
Pisa mal, hazme el favor. Y si pisas mal, porque no estás con la capa puesta.
This is too cool.
Oh guys, look at this! I'm like, ah!来，老爸，待会也换你哦。
All right, so I've been out here walking around the little island for a little while, and I just keep hearing people say, wow, this is so cool, this is so cool, and this is so cool. I mean, check out where I'm standing. Yeah, see how cool it is? I've got the Freedom Tower right behind me. When we come this way, we're looking uptown. We've got the Empire State Hudson Yards way up there. That's Chelsea just behind me. Now, this is a really, really cool spot. Hope you're enjoying it.